Have you ever imagined a vehicle that will explore virtually anywhere with a full metal frame and high torque motor? A metal frame that supports tire suspension and angles, a four-wheel drive off-road truck that are ergonomically positioned for fun and worry-free driving, a rigid body design that will take you over the biggest bumps in the road while providing you ultimate control? The upcoming Project Maybach can scale obstacles with ease and maneuver over loose terrain. Hello there and welcome back. In today's show, we'll be having a first look at Project Maybach and its groundbreaking features to be expecting. Make sure to stick around to find out all you need to know about Project Maybach. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos like this if you haven't already. Looking for a new Maybach, it is easy to discover that this is a car with the soul of a Mercedes-Benz, but with an electric drive. A car that can be enjoyed and shared. A car with timeless design and modern technology. Mercedes wanted to work with a partner who can bring something new to their project, Virgil Abloh. Before his sudden death in November 2021, Virgil took the entire world by storm as an entrepreneur, fashion designer, and creative director of the popular brand Louis Vuitton. This vehicle is already making headlines in the most creative industries because of the risk taken here, and it paid off. The design is inspired by Abloh's unique approach, which makes his designs speak for themselves. Driving this vehicle offers you the chance to inspire you further on your journey into the future. Together, Mercedes and Abloh took on new challenges and break new ground in the vehicle industry. Unveiled in Miami's Rubel Museum in 2021, Mercedes was ready to bring the Maybach name back. And with it, the ultimate luxury of pure design, true craftsmanship, and innovative technology. The new Maybach will be a visionary car, a real statement of purpose, and is a vehicle that doesn't just depend on its own unique look, but also combines the best off-road technology with the design language of the Louis Vuitton brand. Together with Virgil Abloh, one of the most influential designers of our time, they gave this vehicle a new aura of elegance and power. The basic concept for this electric vehicle is to combine the latest technology with the classic Maybach DNA, resulting to a powerful, future-oriented concept car that seamlessly combines classic Maybach elements with innovative technology and an expensive appearance. This project is not only an expression of modern luxury and performance in terms of design, but also reflects a sustainable future thanks to its classic yet innovative powertrain concept. It embodies an experience of luxury that is timeless and at the same time as progressive as today's society. The design study is named after its long wheelbase, which allows for generous room inside and a very low driving position. The exterior design language of this project interprets key features from the classic Maybach models on a contemporary level. The proportions of the vehicle are clearly defined by its stretched silhouette, which creates a powerful presence on the road. The car's broad proportions unfold harmoniously in a formal idiom typical of the brand, while its large wheelbase adds an air of prestige to the entire ensemble. Its powerful presence is underlined by stately lines, which extend from its body over the wheel arches to merge harmoniously into the rear section. The interior takes up where the exterior styling left off. With its plush seating area, it provides passengers with an all-encompassing experience that will transport them away from everyday life at top speed. The interior reflects a modern interpretation of classic luxury by means of exclusive materials such as coffee shell leather and high-end fabrics. It's hard to get the public excited about a pure electric car in this day and age, but Maybach is a luxury brand and they are more successful in selling cars to customers who do not care if the engine is electric or not. We have seen some of the better powerful engines in the world. We have also seen some of the most powerful batteries in the world and also some of the most energy-dense batteries available right now. Mercedes and Maybach recently showcased one of the most powerful battery packs that can be fitted into a car without any modifications. The energy density of the battery is 130 kWh, which is enough to give it a range of 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 96 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. And not only that, but it can run from a range of 60 miles or 100 kilometers on just a single charge, which is insane for any production vehicle at this point in time. It also has an incredible output of 920 horsepower, which makes it good enough to rival all off-road supercars. And since it's an electric vehicle, it doesn't sound as loud as those cars, but still good enough to assert some fierceness. This particular Maybach will be a limited edition plug-in electric off-road vehicle concept, The features, especially on the exteriors and general body design, is inspired by fighter jets too. There is also other features of the luxurious interior with wood trim, leather seats, and Swarovski crystals. The car's roll bars are designed to look like the chrome grille of a luxury vehicle. Furthermore, the concept has LED headlights with headlamp blades that are reminiscent of a jet plane's wings, as well as wheels with carbon fiber spokes. The production version of this vehicle likely would be powered by an electric motor developed by Mercedes-Benz parent company Daimler AG or one of Daimler's subsidiaries or partners instead of a gasoline internal combustion engine similar to those used in current Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The company had hinted that it was working on an all-electric sports car based on its SLR McLaren in 2010. Mercedes-Benz later abandoned its plans for this model due to technical difficulties related to cooling and other issues. Let's move on to the cabin experience. Project Maybach will be a vehicle that has all the comfort functions of today's cars, but with an additional factor, the AI driving feature. The driver will have the choice of being chauffeured by the AI or take control manually. The brand's clear target group is top executive class car buyers with high demands for exclusivity and comfort. It is also about enhancing creativity, as Maybach puts it. Our goal is to improve people's creativity through mobility. Project Maybach is a unique concept of an electric off-road vehicle which with its robotic technology offers the utmost in luxury, performance, and convenience. The exceptional driving experience includes visionary AI driving as well as the luxury cabin. The advanced operating system enables the driver to sit back and relax while the car takes care of all the operational functions. This is made possible by a high-performance camera system, an AI computer, and sophisticated sensors integrated into the vehicle body. An innovative laser scanner provides 3D object recognition and tracking. The cabin environment becomes an extension of your living room. All of your individual requirements can be met here. The high-quality leather upholstery comes with integrated leather seat belts, which are made from the same quality leather as found on luxurious sofas. A warm wood veneer trim on interior surfaces lends a touch of warmth to complement the exclusive feel of this car's homely interior design. Also, the interior of the Project Maybach vehicle, imagined as a modular hotel room, had seats that could be folded down to create a flat bed for the passengers. The Maybach project combines the latest in automotive design with innovative technology and pioneering ideas to offer the ultimate in modern, luxurious mobility. As well as being a powerful and dynamic SUV, it is also one of the most intelligent vehicles on the road, offering many innovations which drivers will enjoy. The design has been optimized for its purpose. In particular, a low center of gravity, a very high ground clearance, and huge wheels give it excellent traction on soft surfaces. The bodywork is largely made from aluminum, which is light and strong, resists corrosion and rust, and looks greatly polished. The windows are polycarbonate plastic, they're lighter than glass and can be tinted to cut down glare. The chassis is mostly stainless steel. It forms part of the bodywork but also protects key mechanical parts against damage. With no engine or transmission tunnel to take up space under the bonnet, there is more room for luggage. Keep weight down without compromising safety. Even the battery pack is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic or CFRP. The interior is roomy and comfortable. The seats are luxurious leather with Alcantara suede inserts, super soft but hard weaving fabric that was originally developed for use in aircraft interiors. Project Maybach is also one of those vehicles with carbon fiber body tanned naturally with coffee shells. The jacquard houndstooth finish headrest and compartments open to reveal reading lights. Indeed, this all-electric rally car features a lot of high-tech solutions. With that, we have come to end today's video, guys. Did you enjoy it? Tell us what you think about this monster vehicle in the comment section. Please share and comment on our amazing videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to notify a new video like this out immediately. Have a great day and see you guys later.